Hello. In this video, I'm going to show you how to buy tickets on Ticketmaster. Whether it's for a concert, sports event, or theater show, this guide will help you grab your tickets quickly and securely. Let's get started. First, open the Ticketmaster app or go to the Ticketmaster website on your browser. Make sure you're logged into your account. If you don't have an account yet, take a moment to sign up. It's free and only takes a few minutes. Once you're logged in, use the search bar to find the event you want to attend. Double-check the date, venue, and event time to make sure it's exactly what you're looking for. Accuracy is key, especially if tickets are selling fast. After selecting the event, you'll see the available tickets. Here, you can choose the number of tickets you want. For this tutorial, we're buying 2 tickets. Click on the 2 tickets option and make sure the seats are together if that's important to you. Ticketmaster often shows the best available seats, so you can pick the ones you like. Once your tickets are selected, click on Buy Now or Checkout. You'll be prompted to review your order, including ticket type, quantity, and total price. Double-check everything before proceeding. Next, select your payment method. You can pay with a credit card, debit card, or any payment option available on Ticketmaster. Make sure all your payment details are correct to avoid errors. After confirming your payment, click Place Order or Complete Purchase. Once the transaction is successful, you'll receive a confirmation email from Ticketmaster with your 2 tickets. You can access them in the app under My Events, or you can print them if needed. And that's it. You've successfully purchased 2 tickets on Ticketmaster. It's quick, easy, and secure. If this video was helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share it with friends who might need this guide. Thanks for watching and enjoy your event.